You keep hearing people saying that price action trading. They say I am a price action trader. If you are still wondering what actually price action is, what actually price action trading is, so if you are still thinking like that, then this video is for you. In this video, I will discuss about what actually price action is, what actually price action trading. I will explain it along with the chart example. Price action is taking the trades based on what price is telling you, not based on what indicators are telling you, because ultimately it is the buyers and sellers who takes market up and down. It is not your indicator. It's not your RSI, not your MACD, not your stochastic, not your super trend. Not all these indicators will decide whether market has to go up or go down. It's all decided by buyers and sellers. In Gujarati, there is a saying. They say Bhav, Bhagwan che. That means price is God. That means price is everything. Same thing applies in trading also. In trading also, price is everything. Okay. So if you want to become a good trader, then you need to learn the price action first. Price moves up and down purely based on buyers and sellers. Okay. If buyers are strong, price will go up. If sellers are strong, price will go down. So it is as simple as this. To make you help understand much better, I'll show you a chart and I'll explain you price action. I'm recording this video on 7th May 2020 and yesterday was 6th May 2020. So let me pull out yesterday's 6th May 2020 chart and explain you price action, so you'll understand what actually price action is, how price action trader analyzes the chart based on buyers and sellers. I'm going to show you the price action on 6th May and I'm recording this on 7th May. I put it on the replay mode. You can see here that I have put it on the replay mode and I'm recording this on 7th morning 7:45 a.m. and let me play the 6th May candlestick and let me show you the price action. After two back-to-back red days, most of the retailers, they think that market is bearish, market is going to go down, right? They say 90% of traders lose, right? 90% of retail traders lose money in the market and only 10% of traders are consistently profitable. So what you should do, you should think like a 10% of professional traders, not 90% of retailers. Now let us play the first candlestick on 6th May and let us see what happened. You can see that day opened with a big bearish candle, right? 9:15 candle is a big bearish candle. So the first candle of the day is a big bearish candle, but you can see that it is taking support near the weekly pivot. There is a weekly pivot just below the candle close. So what you should do, you should not take the trade and see whether this pivot will act as a support or it gets broken. Okay, and you can see that first candle exactly went near the weekly pivot and made a big wicks. So it's an indication of buyers are near the weekly pivot. Whenever you see wicks like this, that means there are buyers. Okay, wicks on the downside means buyers, wicks on the upside mean sellers. Now let us play few more candlestick and let us see what happened. Did market go down or market took the support? And what it is showing you here, when you see this kind of bullishness near the weekly pivot, that means what? Look at this last three candles, back to back green candles, bullish pin bar in last three candles. And you can see that after the first candle took the support at the weekly pivot, not a single candle could go below the weekly pivot. What is showing? It is showing strength of buyers. Okay, it is showing buyers strength. That is what price action. You should know where are the buyers. There are buyers here who are not allowing price to go down. So that means you should know the buyers are strong. Now one more thing to remember. People who shorted here first candle, 90% of traders who thinks that today also market going to go down, Just take a guess where they must have kept stop loss. They must have kept stop loss here, above the previous day low. Okay, this is the previous day low, the black dotted line, and they must have kept the stop loss here. Okay, above the previous day low. And what is stop loss actually? Stop loss is a buy order. When you go short, what's your stop loss? Opposite of your order, that is buy order. So there are huge buy orders are here above the previous day low. Okay, so let us see what happened after that, and look at the huge green candle, and that's it. What it shows you, what is the reason of this huge green candle? Why? What is the reason that only you can see huge green candle here, not anywhere here, not anywhere here, only here? That is what known as stop loss hunting. That is how stop loss hunting takes place. Okay, what is the stop loss hunting? Stop loss hunting is nothing but hunting the stop losses of retail traders. Okay, people who went short here, they had stop losses here. They had their stop losses above the previous day low, and there was a huge buy order. So whenever there is a huge buy order, that means huge buying pressure, so it leads to huge green candles. So that is what price action is. So that is how you have to do analysis in the live market, where retailer must have kept stop loss. So once stop loss triggered, all the buy order got triggered and huge green candle. It went and faced resistance at the CPR. Big players are accumulating here to hunt the stop losses of retail traders, and that is what happened. So that is what your price action is. So if you want to know what is price action, analyzing the chart like this, where market is going, where there are stop loss, okay, who are strong, buyers are strong or sellers are strong. Now who is strong here? Here now buyers are strong. So buyers are in total control of the market. Look at the huge green candle. So that means market is likely to go up, but you can see that there is a CPR as a resistance above that huge green candle. So now it has to break this CPR, then only you can say that buyers can take market up today. Okay, because there is a CPR, it has to break that. So let us play the candlestick and let us see what actually happened, whether CPR was broken or no. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this candle. It went above the CPR, above the top CPR, but sellers took the market down. Sellers did not allow market to break the CPR. So the big wicks which you are seeing here, that means there are sellers, right? There are sellers. Like how I said here there are big wicks, mean there are buyers, right? So you can see here big wicks, big wicks, that means buyers are active here. Same thing like here, sellers are active. Okay, so you got it, right? To see where are buyers and where are sellers purely based on price action. Let us see what happened after that. You can see that it went near the central pivot. So you can see another thing here. Here also you can see that big wicks, same like earlier. So that means what? That means there are sellers here. Again they pushed the market down. When it came to the same price, they pushed the market down. Okay, that is what wicks will tell you. So let us see what happened after that. After that again it went down and it is again facing resistance at the top CPR, right? So let us see what happened after that. You can see that how long this green candle is. Look at this huge green candles here, right? Now you must have thought, oh, it broke the CPR, now market will fly, let me start buying here. But did you see this? I said big wicks, that means sellers are active, and just draw a horizontal line on that wicks. So look at this. Look at the price action. This green candle could not break that wicks. This green candle could not break the wicks, the horizontal line what you see here. That means sellers did not allow these buyers to go above them. That's why you can see that close of the candle below that horizontal line, below those earlier sellers. That means sellers are still active above the top CPR. Let us see what happened after that. Look at this. Look at this. From the same level, look at this. How they took the market down. So that means now sellers are very active. You should not think about buying now. Okay. You should not think about buying because sellers are active. And finally, you can see that it went below the CPR also. Finally, at 3:30, market closed exactly at that level. That is where VIX was there earlier. Exact at that level, market closed. And that is what the price action for 6th of May. So this is how you have to analyze the charts in the live market. Where are the buyers? Where are the sellers? Where buyers are strong? Where sellers are strong? When you see buyers are strong, you should go with buyers. When you see sellers are strong, you should go with sellers. And that is what known as price action trading. I hope you understood what is the meaning of price action. All these days you must have been thinking, people keep saying price action, price action. What actually price action? This is the price action. Analyzing the chart purely based on buyers and sellers sentiment. Look at this chart. Other than 20 exponential moving average here, can you see any other indicator on my chart? Can you see RSI here? Can you see MACD here? Can you see stochastic here? Can you see any other lines, any other indicators? No. Why? Because I am a pure price action trader. I use this moving average only occasionally for buying and selling signal. Otherwise, most of the time it will be there on my chart. I will not take any signal. Just to see the trend of the market, I will use 20 mm. But it is not for buying and signal most of the time. Only sometimes I use this moving average for buy and sell signal. Otherwise, you can see that on my chart you will see only candlestick, only price action along with pivots and CPR. As I said, ultimately it is buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers who takes market up and down. Okay, buyers and sellers. Buyers here and sellers here. Buyers and sellers take the market up and down, not your indicator like RSI, MACD, super trend. All those indicators are not responsible to take market up or down. It's all about buyers and sellers. Okay guys, now you have seen how a professional traders take the trade purely based on buyers and sellers sentiment, and that is how professional traders do. But what a novice trader will do, novice trader thinks that it's all about indicator. He'll start putting everything on his chart. He'll start putting RSI, MACD, stochastic, super trend, all kind of indicator on his chart, and he gets confused. He is not looking at the most important part, that is price action. He is not looking at what actually price is telling him. He is focusing on indicators. So that is why they say 90% of traders fail, because they are ignoring the most important part in trading. If you ask me, that means price action is holy grail of trading. Price action works every time? Of course not. Price action also doesn't work all the time. For that matter, in trading, nothing works all the time. But as you can see that price action is better form of trading compared to depending on the indicators, which I already shown you on the charts, right? So that's why if you want to become a good trader, think about price action trading rather than depending on your indicators. And trading is all about crowd psychology. Trading is all about knowing where are the retailers, where they are trapped, where they have stop losses, where buyers are strong, where sellers are strong. Knowing all this can help you in taking the better trades. So as I said earlier, ultimately trading is all about buyers and sellers. So to know that, you need to learn price action trading. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you have learned something new in this price action trading video. If you want to learn more about price action, if you want to learn how to take the trades in day trading based on price action, pivot points and CPR, then you can join my webinar. I conduct regularly webinars on the weekends. You can check my next webinar details below this video in the description section. You can go there and you can check when is my next webinar. If you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email and you can join my upcoming webinar. We don't discuss all these videos, neither we do replay of the candlestick charts, nothing like that, but we go to previous historical charts and we discuss the price action and we explain how to take the best trades based on price action. Okay guys, that's it. If you like this video, then hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your trading community. And thanks for watching my videos.